Hey folks, want to tell you how to make Google Classroom class comments. So head on over to Google Classroom and let me get you started. All right, so we're here. We're in where all your classes are, and I'm just going to click on my first period economics class. So in the stream, if you've already made some type of announcement, then you can add another class comment very easily there. You can do a class comment on classwork as well. So let's just go to a specific assignment. So we had a syllabus review here, and I'm going to click View Assignment, and then I'll need to go to the instructions, and then here I can make a class comment for everyone to see specifically to this assignment, and that's why a class comment is very, very important to know how to do. So hope that helps. Good luck. Until next time.